How's the Josh?
High, sir!
How's the Josh?
High, sir!
I said, how's the Josh?
High, sir!
He can ask you things about current affairs also. He can ask you things about any topic which may have opinion for the motion and against the motion also. There are things going on in the country. There are things going on at an international level. Like if you talk of today, there is an issue in Afghanistan. If somebody says कि उसने Afghanistan नहीं पढ़ा है, I think something he has missed. Entire world is having a look at Afghanistan. Today in the country, India and China are facing coal crisis. How one can escape from these topics? Not possible. Recently, Olympics have taken place. Paralympics have taken place where India has performed very well. There may be possibility that you may not know name of every athlete who participated, but certainly in country like India, where number of medals are counted on fingers, can be counted on fingers, I think you should be even knowing names also and their events also. India did very good in Paralympics. We have done better than all previous Paralympics. People have broken even records. This time even in Tokyo Olympics, India got an individual gold. And somebody says he does not know about that gentleman. I think then we are certainly lacking it. We may not have interest in athletics or football or cricket or hockey, but anything where the national flag has gone up, the reputation of nation has gone up, I think you should be knowing it. Then there are issues among the states. The COVID situation has just been controlled, still not fully controlled. What actions government has taken, how it has affected various sectors, whether it is education, whether it is health, economics, export, import, all these things. You should be knowing it. Like a defense officer should have an all-round personality. He should be able to assess things. He should be able to give his recommendation for a particular situation. He has to be live to anything happening in the globe, not only in the country. But I have seen, I am quoting example which I might have quoted in my previous videos also. A BTech student with 70-80% marks, when I ask him where is Mizoram and he tells me answer, sir मैं तो science वाला हूँ. Who says that science or commerce or art people, he should not know about the country? At least we should be knowing about the layout of our country. Don't give small excuses. You should be very clear. Defense officer at one point of time may be giving more than a dozen of decisions. He cannot delay his decisions. You should be very quick. You may not be expert on one topic. You may not be knowing every topic under this sun. But anything which is recently happening, you should be knowing that. When you are coming to defense, you should be knowing the ranks of defense forces of the force of your choice. Then you should be knowing the equivalent ranks also. You are going to Air Force, you might as well know the aircraft which are being used. You might as well know which are the aircraft which we have taken from different countries. From which country, what are their capabilities. You should be knowing about the nuclear program, which are the missiles which we have developed under the Integration Development Program. You should know what DRDO has recently made, which tank has come out, which missile has come out, which missile will fit into which aircraft. These are the questions which can be asked to anyone. See, so many schemes which Prime Minister is taking out every day. You should be live to that. You should be live to the situation where there are disputes among various states. You should be knowing about the women empowerment, which is a very prime issue, not only our country, in the entire world. But our country is taking a lot of steps. You should be knowing that. You should know about the disinvestment of the public sector units. You should know that recently Air India, Tata has gone to Tata's. There are Vista Central projects which are going on. Again, the bid won by the Tatas. You should be knowing that. What is going on in that? What all it comprises of? what is new being made, what is old destroyed, what the other structures are being, you might as well know about it. It's nothing very difficult. And let me tell you, first and foremost, you should know your even family background also. You should know details about your siblings, parents, all these things. Though whatever topics I can suggest, there can be n number and unending topic. But if you have liked this video, kindly share and subscribe. And in case you have got any queries, kindly post them in the comment box.